Hello, everyone. Today we have a powerful and emotional story called Face Your Inner Storm. By the end of this story, we'll learn how one boy conquered not the world, but his own fears. So, stay with us till the end. Once upon a time, in a quiet town surrounded by hills, lived a 15-year-old boy named Ayan. He was smart, kind, and friendly. But Ayan had a secret. He was always scared. Scared of speaking up, scared of trying new things, and most of all, scared of failing. Every time there was a school competition or class presentation, Ayan would find an excuse to skip it. "I have a headache," he'd say, or "I forgot my homework." But deep inside, he knew he was just avoiding fear. His father often told him, "Ayan, real storms don't come from outside. They rise inside us, and facing them is the hardest but most important part of growing up." Ayan didn't really understand what that meant. One day, his teacher, Ms. Sana, announced a storytelling contest. The winner would represent their school at the district level. Everyone was excited, except Ayan. As soon as he heard it, his stomach twisted in knots. He loved writing stories, but the thought of reading it out loud made him panic. At night, Ayan couldn't sleep. He looked at his notebook filled with unfinished stories. "I wish I wasn't so afraid," he whispered to himself, but something inside him stirred, something small but strong. The next morning, Ayan quietly gave Ms. Sana his name for the contest. She was surprised but smiled. "I believe in you," she said. That one sentence gave Ayan a little courage. He wrote a beautiful story about a little bird who was afraid to fly. The bird stayed in its nest, watching others soar through the sky. But one day, during a storm, the nest began to shake. The bird had no choice. It jumped and discovered it could fly. When Ayan practiced reading it at home, his hand shook and his voice cracked. He felt like quitting, but he remembered his father's words. Real storms are inside us. The big day came. All the students gathered in the school hall. Ayan sat in the back, feeling like his heart would explode. His name was called. Everyone clapped politely. As he walked up, he felt his legs go weak. He looked at the audience, then at his paper, and then he closed his eyes. He took a deep breath and began. His voice was soft at first, but with every word he grew stronger. The story of the little bird touched everyone's heart. When he finished, there was complete silence. And then applause. Loud, honest, surprised applause. Ayan smiled. Not because he won, he didn't. Another student came first, but Ayan had already won something bigger. He had faced his inner storm. From that day, he started joining more activities. He still felt nervous, but now he didn't let fear control him. He understood that courage doesn't mean having no fear. It means acting despite the fear. So, what did we learn today? We all have storms inside us, fear, doubt, shame, or pain. But unless we face them, we can never move forward. Ayan's story teaches us that true growth happens not when we run away from our fear, but when we walk straight into it. If there's something that scares you, like public speaking, exams, or failing at something, remember this story. Start small. One brave step is all it takes to start the journey. And of course, keep practicing your English by listening, learning, or speaking with stories like this. If you enjoy this video, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.